Hi guys, how we doing? I thought we'd just nip on and do a wee quick video because I haven't really been doing much in the garden because nothing's working. I've replanted and I've resown a lot of cauliflower and broccoli because every one that I've got has bolted basically. I've still got some down there. I've got one cauliflower that it's ready, nearly ready for harvest. So we'll get one cauliflower at least. The tomatoes are doing okay. Sorry, there's somebody at the door. My peas are dying, as you can see, but I mean, look at the bottom of them. I don't blame that. The corn is looking better, but this time last year it was nearly the height of the fence. The beetroot, which is down there, I would walk down and show you, but it's pointless. The beetroot, there's plenty of foliage, but there's no actual root. The carrots are very, very small. My onions are bolting. My chard is bolting. It's just, I don't know. Things are not growing well, and some things are growing too well, as in going to bolt. I harvested the garlic, which was pretty poor. I'll show you that in a minute. It's just a crap year for me. Anyway, it's a crap year. I've been watching people on YouTube having success, but it's a crap year for me. Anyway, enough of that. I'm just going to start getting ready for next year. I feel as if I should just put everything out, compost it, and that's it. Just clear the garden for next year. Don't know, I'll think about it. Anyway, I'll see you soon. Hi, back again. This is the very poor garlic harvest that I got. Some very small, some reasonably big. I'll keep the big ones for next year, for seeds for next year. And the wee ones I'll just use right now. The rest I'll let dry off. Hi guys, just a wee update on how I'm getting on with the polytunnel greenhouse type thing. Basically, this is the base, and this has had 4 coats of decking oil. Because it's going to be underground, I thought I'd better give it extra protection. Plus it'll be covered in polythene. And I'm in the middle of painting or treating everything else with 2 coats of decking oil. I'm kind of roughly, I want to get it treated so as I can get it out of here, because it's taking up too much room. And I just had to make a frame there in that wee gap. I had to make a frame for a painting, and I didn't enjoy it, so I want this all done, treat it out, ready to go. I might even just throw the vegetables I've got in that bed growing, throw them in the bin. I don't know yet. Anyway, that's just a wee update. Okay, cheers.